Everyone, thank you for checking my video. Today we open the Air Jordan 1 Low Halloween.
Alright, open it up.
But because you can't see. I'm going to see first. Okay.
Look at what's on the paper.
Look at the stars.
Got stars and there's a alien ship. Yep.
Y'all ready?
Yep.
To see the
Yep. Ooh. Take the other one out too.
It looks like the other one.
Yep.
This one doesn't have laces.
The laces there just got tied all the way up. Alright, let's talk about the first thing that was in there. What's that in your hands? What's in your hands? Leave those laces.
Got some stickers.
Okay, turn it around so we can see the stickers. Lift it up. Well, okay, so tell me what's on the stickers. We got what?
We got Air Jordan.
Alright, turn it around so we can see
Air
it.
Jordan.
Okay. Alien ship.
Alien ship with a basketball. Basketball.
Planet.
And we got Pluto. And
I think that's a moon.
That's Pluto.
Oh, that's Pluto?
Pluto going to the basketball thing.
Okay. Alright, show it properly so everyone can see it. Alright, cool. And I think those glow in the dark too, right? So we're going to show everyone how it glows in the dark. Alright, so let's take a look at the sneakers.
Sneakers?
Yep.
You gotta have sneakers.
Yeah, sneakers, tennis shoes. That's what they're sneakers. Alright.
These?
Yes. All shoes like that are sneakers. Alright, give us a 360 look. I put the stickers down. Give it a 360. Keep turning. Turn it around. Turn it around. Oh, those are nice. So, all right, let's look at the back. Show me the back of the shoe. All right, so looking at the back, it's got the Air Jordan wing logo. It's the Air Jordan wing logo on the back. All right, show me the tongue. Let's see what's on the tongue. On the tongue, got the Nike. And these are nice, buddy. You like these? Remember, you picked between these and the Mellow, and you end up going with these, right? All right, let's look at the top. Let's look at the bottom. Go on the bottom. Okay. And then tell something cool about this shoe. What's special about this shoe?
What's special about this shoe is it glows and it got Nike, which is my favorite, based off of Mellow.
Okay. All right.
And these are sports shoes. They're so cool. And I like the basketball and the air with the wings.
Yep. Okay. All right.
And what makes it very special, it glows in the dark with the Nikes.
All right. So.
And the stickers.
So what we're gonna do? Where's the stickers at?
Under your legs.
All right. Pick it up.
No, no, no.
All right. So take both shoes and the stickers. All right, pick up the other shoe.
Where is it? I can't. I just broke the ball.
All right, take the other shoe. And we are going to see how they glow in the dark. So grab the shoes and let's go to your closet. Come on, let's go.
Both of them?
Yes. Where's the stickers? Let's go. All right. So we're gonna see how good these glow. All right, guys. So hopefully you can kind of see. Look, there you go. You can kind of see the shoe glowing in the dark.
Let's go.
And here are the stickers. So here's a shoe. I'm wiggling the shoe like this, so you guys can see it glowing in the dark. There you go, right there. Where you at, Lana? Show your shoe. There you go. Hold on, turn to the camera. Put the shoe up. Hold it up. All right, you give it a thumbs up or thumbs down. Nice, okay.
Thanks for checking out the video. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Bye. Bye.